Now guys, today is a very, very, very important day. That's right, there's finally a new nighttime show at Epcot. And you know what that means? Every single vlogger on planet Earth is gonna be at Epcot today. But you know what they're not gonna have in their videos? This. That's right, you can't go wrong with dancing reindeer. Now, Illuminations, which ran for around 20 years, ended yesterday, which we're all very, very sad about because it was literally a perfect show. Now, if you guys remember, I interviewed Jim Cummins about the show ending a couple months ago.
You're the voice of Illuminations. You've guided us into that experience.
I know. I don't have mixed emotions. I'm just sad. It's an honor for this time. You know, since I guess 1999, every single night. It's a lot of torches. That's a lot of campfires. It's a lot of coming togethers. I hope the world will still continue to do it without me.
Just say, I'm going to be very, very sad if he is not announcing the new nighttime show. This is the mission of the day. There's a lot of new stuff at Epcot that just released today. First off, we're gonna go visit Allison. Allison is working at Epcot. Then we're gonna go to the new donut box food and wine stand. Hopefully there's some good donuts there. And then apparently they redid the Odyssey and they did like an Epcot Center overlay. So it's got all the new attractions and additions that are gonna be coming up in the next couple of years because Epcot is currently just a giant construction zone. And then we are ending the day with the new Epcot fireworks. On that note, guys, we got a busy couple hours ahead of us. Let's go.
Allison, look at you. Set your sights on adventure. Where are we right now?
We're in America.
Tour us around your little crib.
Oh, we got some brochures.
Wow.
Book.
A recipe for us.
For shrimp linguine.
Time for the donut box. It kind of looks like a giant tissue box. Guess I'll go with the strawberry dusted yeast donut holes. And then I guess we'll do the sweet corn fritter. All right, here's the corn fritter. I have no idea what this has to do with the donut box. I'm thinking like donut boxes are all different types of donuts, not corn fritters, but we shall see. Doesn't look too crazy on the inside.
Got like a peppered salsa on it. Interesting.
I know, I'm hoping this will save it. Strawberry donut holes.
It's not a stale donut, but it's not a fresh donut. There's a hint of strawberry, nothing overwhelming. All right, it's time to go into the old Odyssey building. It looks like they just took all the D23 Epcot showcase stuff and just put it in here.
How are people supposed to take their Instagram pics with this wall if it's above the water? The Epcot experience. Come see the future. Okay, Daniel, where are we? Ooh.
We're in the Epcot experience. You can see all along the wall here, we have homages to our past.
Oh, yeah.
As well as to our future.
The future with Daniel.
Right.
Daniel is having us run into the show right now. Oh, here we go.
Will be our experimental prototype city of tomorrow. We call it Epcot.
Water is ancient. It has journeyed around our world since the beginning of time. Please snap and share.
What's your official review of the AC in here?
It's so freaking hot.
Of walls and doors.
Probably because I'm here though, right?
We will present more product culture. This is a critical moment
When Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking.
And now you know the secret of the universe.
Everything is possible, even the impossible.
Okay, Daniel, you're kicking us out because there's stuff going on.
Bye, friends.
Bye. It's closing for a special event.
In just a few minutes, the World Showcase Lagoon.
I'm looking for, I need a Saturday, Sunday.
Color and light
Even if it's not
as we
Saturday,
journey through
Sunday,
Epcot's
Monday.
past.
Oh my God,
We
no.
call it Epcot. EPCLP. Experimental prototype community of tomorrow. what is and will always be in a state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
We are home now from Epcot. I don't know what was going on with the little kid as the announcer and the little kids singing throughout the show. I did enjoy the callbacks to the OG Epcot rides and lands. That was really cool. But I would have loved if they threw some Captain EO in there. I thought the fireworks were good. There was a bunch of new different types of fireworks which I've never seen Disney use before. Now they threw in some of those classic Walt Disney quotes, to pull at your heartstrings, which of course they did. I didn't understand why a whole new world was in it. I understand Jasmine meets in Morocco, but it felt kind of out of place. They came out on jet skis and they had little kites but just looked like giant fruit roll-ups. That was kind of cool. I understand this is a temporary show, but again, some people only come to Epcot one time in their entire life. Just felt like something was missing from the show, if you know what I mean. A bunch of people I heard described the new fireworks show. If you've ever been to Universal Studios, the Cat in the Hat ride. They compared the fireworks show to the Cat in the Hat ride. But all in all, it's a decent show. I'm excited for what they have planned for us next year. Guys, let me know down in the comments, what did you think of the new fireworks show? In the meantime, guys, I literally have to start packing because my flight is in a couple hours to fly back home to Maryland to start shooting the Marcos video. I will see you all very, very soon, and be ready for...
Look, the line for the Skyliner goes all the way back there.